In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a font to Wix. Whether you're aiming to add a personal touch to your website or simply want to stand out, customizing your fonts can make a big difference in your site's appearance. So let's dive right in and explore just how simple this process can be. First things first, you'll need the font that you plan to upload to your Wix website. If you haven't chosen one yet, don't worry, there's a fantastic resource available to help you find the perfect match. I highly recommend heading over to fontsgoogle.com. This site offers a wide array of font styles, making it a wonderful tool for finding something that complements the style and image of your website. Take your time browsing through the selection and download the font that catches your eye. When you find one you like, go ahead and download it. Remember, the file typically downloads as a zip file, so you'll need to extract its contents to use the font. Once you have the font downloaded and extracted, it's time to head back to your Wix website editor. The Wix editor is where all the magic happens, and luckily, it makes customizing fonts a breeze. Start by clicking on any text element within your site. This will bring up various editing options. Look for the drop-down menu associated with fonts. It's usually situated prominently because it's such a frequently used feature in styling your text content. Now here's where we get to the exciting part. Scroll down in the font selection drop-down until you find the option that says Upload Fonts. Clicking on this will open a new window where you can begin uploading your custom font. You might notice that there's already a list of uploaded fonts if you've done this before, but don't worry, I'm going to walk you through it as if it's your first time. Click the Upload Fonts button, and when prompted, navigate to the location where you extracted your font file. Select the extracted file and then hit Open. This will begin the upload process. Once your new font is uploaded, head back over to the Fonts drop-down menu. Here, you should now see the font you've just added. Selecting it will apply the font style to your text in the editor, allowing you to finally see how it looks within the context of your overall design. And there you have it. Uploading a font to Wix is just that easy. It's an effective way to personalize your website and make your text stand out just the way you want it to. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.